Hey guys, Antonio here with another video on emotionalize your visualizations. Guys, and before we get started, click that subscribe button down low, follow along with more videos like this, sent straight to your inbox every single week. Let's get started. So, this is all about how your mind works, okay? Right? The reason why we visualize is simply so we can manifest things in the real world, okay? So first, your mind is like an architect. You build the plans of how you want to see something. And then once it becomes definite and perfect and your mind accepts it, it comes out into the real world. So first, you see it in the mind. Once the mind believes it, then it comes into the real world. Okay? Now you're probably saying, ha, Antonio, you can't just make things from your thoughts. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is your mind needs to be clear on what you want. When it knows what it wants, then it can find the things in the real world that make that plan come true. What it focuses on is what it gets. If it's focusing on that plan, it makes it come in real life because it thinks this is real life, but it hasn't seen it yet, so we'll find a way to make that the case. So, why do we emotionalize our visualizations? There's a simple fact that the subconscious mind cannot tell what is real versus what is imagined. Okay? Let that sink in. It can't tell what's real versus what's imagined. Right? You ever had the feeling of thinking about an uncomfortable feeling? You sat there and think about an uncomfortable feeling and how it feels to be in that uncomfortable state. If you sit there, you will actually start feeling the emotions as if you're in the moment of a real feeling. Think about a dream. I used to have dreams all the times of me falling off of a cliff because I was afraid of heights, right? I would feel like I'm falling off a cliff when I was in the dream because it was imagined. But my mind thought it was real. Okay? That's what the subconscious mind does. It can't tell the difference between real and imagined. So, master that. So, what you need to do in order to take something from here to there, should I erase a little bit here, is to make it feel real. Make that idea that you have seem so real and so possible as if it is already in your hands. That is when it goes from being imagined to being real in real life. And the fact that this fact works both ways. For instance, if I am so scared about something, let's say I'm nervous that I'm going to get shut down by a girl I go talk to, right? I go up and go talk to her. What happens is because I'm focused on the fact that I don't want to get shut down, what ends up happening is it comes off in my body language and my sadness and my fear that I'm an insecure person because I'm insecure about getting shut down by her. And because of that, what ends up happening? I get shut down because I came off as an insecure guy. But if I went in not thinking that and just thinking like I'm a normal person and I have no problem doing this, because I was focused on not getting shut down, I got shut down. It's that simple. Okay? If you need more clarity there, please let me know. I'll be willing to talk about it with you in the comments, but that's how it works. Okay? You focus on something, you get it. You attract it because your mind only knows to focus on one thing at once. So it works both ways. So make sure you're focusing on the positive things you want and not on the negative things in life. So this last fact is that most people, right, they try to use willpower. They complain that they don't have enough willpower. But here's the thing. Willpower is limited. We don't have all of it, right? I wish it was unlimited and I could use it at any point in time. But the thing is as the day goes on, you make more decisions and you wasted doing other things. You tend to have less and less willpower as the day goes on. So you can't depend on willpower to get you through all the decisions you need to make every single day. So how do you change yourself so you become the type of person that ends up making those decisions without thinking about it, right? There's this standard that your mind acts on. And when you use willpower, that's when you go off of the standard. Your subconscious mind is that standard. And when you visualize, you are planting the plan for what that standard is. You maybe be here, but then when you're visualizing, you may be somewhere else, right? That because you changed it based off of the plan you made through visualizing. So the subconscious mind controls how you act 99% of the time. So why are you wasting your time using willpower when you could be using your subconscious mind? Work on this. Work on building the plan in your mind of how you want to work every single day, and then your life will be a lot easier than if you're spending so much time fighting against yourself. Okay? So if you want to stop fighting against yourself, emotionalize your visualizations. Feel like they're actually really there and you own them right now. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out the blog post that goes along with it. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. Check out my website, guys. I'm launching a book coming out soon, and you can be one of the people that get the book for free if you donate to me on Patreon. The first 10 people who donate to me on Patreon will get the book for free. Email to them. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I've been doing Instagram daily stories to teach you guys